Hi guys, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Christmas potpourri. And all you're going to need is some cinnamon sticks, clove, cranberries, a lemon and an orange, and some rosemary. Super simple, and it smells amazing. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your orange and your lemon and you're going to cut it into very thin slices. Next, you're going to line your saucepan with the lemons and orange slices. Now, I didn't really measure this part. I just put some cranberries in there. It's really just for color. They don't add any scent to your potpourri. And you're also going to put in 1 tablespoon of full clove. So next you're going to put a few sprigs of rosemary, which makes it very Christmassy, and you're also going to put a few sticks of cinnamon in there as well. And lastly, you're just going to pour in some water, just enough to cover up all of your potpourri. Then you're going to set the temperature on your stove to high at first to get it out to a boil, and then you can tone it down to a simmer throughout the day. Guys, these potpourris are so simple and so much fun to make. This one in particular smells so much like Christmas, especially with that rosemary in there, and the cranberries give it that very Christmassy color. I highly recommend this, and I will leave the recipe down below in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye!